Hello everyone. I trust and hope you all are well and we are live after quite some time and it's amazing to be live after really long time and I wish you all I hope you all are doing well. Hi Vallari, thanks for joining. Hi Nidhi, thank you for joining and probably you can have a look at my altar. It's the full moon today and I decided to just make it a little more neat. You can see some flowers, plumeria, not true flowers, of course, but my candles, my crystals, all my, there are a lot of tarot cards, but which are just in behind, so I can't show you now. But today's live is because I wanted to I just wanted to inbox this latest Oracle deck which I have which I've got. So just before that a quick tester. Can you all see me and hear me? I mean, can you see my screen, my altar, and can you hear me well? Just reply a yes so that I know you can before going any further. So I hope you all can see and hear me. And this is my beautiful altar. Superb. Thank you, Nidhi, for the clarification. So now what is unboxing of a card deck? See, unboxing is typically when I buy a new deck. That is the first time I open it. And that's also a time where I can maybe, give a couple of one card's guidance to all the people. But people who are watching, so if you are the one who is watching, if it might be how this deck. So I saw this deck by Dinah. It's so beautiful. I love energies. I love angels and how could and I already have two Archangel decks from Doreen Virtue, Kyle Gray. And last few months, I've been really connecting a lot with the Archangels, with angel prayers. Some of you have been daily participants in the angel prayers. So, and I just saw this card deck being released by Dinah Cooper, and I thought, okay, I really want this, but the deck was way too expensive, like really very pricey. And so I thought that okay, let me just ask the universe that can you give me at X price, and I waited for a month, 2 months, I think, yeah, and found this deck is which so the deck is here. It something or the thing. It is a full moon today, and a very beautiful energy. Archangel Amethyst. Guys, this is so beautiful because this is one of my amethyst collection. Right now, having an amethyst here in my altar. And you see this is beautiful in my altar. So many which are. First card is Angel Amethyst. Now, or is it cracking? Because I believe a bit of intuition issues. For me now, is the voice audible? Guys, do know if you're my. Okay, please reconnect. Reconnect once again and see if we can do something. I think the voice will be better now, isn't it? Is it better now? Because I've gone on my. I've just removed my Wi Fi and I've gone for my mobile connection data. So quickly let us unbox the cards. To unbox the cards, I always say that I invoke the presence of God, angels, universe, and all archangels to bless us with ample abundance, lots of love, happiness, success in our life. And with this intention, by saying that prayer of gratitude, we open this. All right. Superb. And here are the cards. Wow, I so love the energy. And for anyone who is watching us right now, all of you are watching us right now, or all of you who will watch us also as a replay, the message for you is Archangel Metatron, who's telling you to increase your light levels and open your stellar gateway chakra. Now, the stellar gateway chakra is the highest point, which is your connection to the divine, and you are being asked to connect to the stellar gateway chakra. So that's the message for you. I'm going to do one more card reading, one more card for you. And wow, guess who's here? Archangel Michael. I think so many of you who are watching me are very deeply connected to Archangel Michael. Many of my students have seen a lot of amazing things happening because of Archangel Michael, and many of you are deeply and beautifully connected to him. So the message says that stand in your power and be true to yourself no matter what. So I'm sure all of you are watching this. Even the people who will watch this later will feel a deep sense of connection to Archangel Michael. And hi Devida, thanks for joining. Hi Darshil, thanks for joining. We are going to do one more card because I just feel like doing it. So wow. There are two cards which came up. One is cherubim. So cherubim is the beautiful, strong choir of angels which is very close to God. And this beautiful choir, or this beautiful, um, there is a hierarchy of angels. And these are the ones who are very strong and who also help you with a lot of matters of heart. So cherubims are the ones who know what is it that everything works well. So that's the third. And the message is look at the stars, accept keys and codes of stellar wisdom. I'm thinking of the song from Yellow, right? Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And the card's color is also yellow. So whoever just feels connected to the song. And finally, the second card came Archangel Christiel. Connect with the unicorns. Obviously, you will connect with the unicorns because we are unicorn inside. And if you're watching this, you are so connected to the unicorns. The angel is beautiful with with a unicorn along with it. And the card says connect to the unicorns. So beautiful. So well, this card deck, let's see. So all card decks come with a guidebook, and they come with different numbers of cards. I'm not sure how many cards are in this. This is a 44 card deck, and this is everything, all information about all angels, and this is a beautiful guidebook. If you are a card reader, I think this is a must have deck in your um, in your collection. I'm already loving it, and I'm going to take some time now to meditate on the cards and do the full moon prayer. I'll be doing the full moon prayer sometime in the evening. So before that, I need to get ready, and I have a couple of clients for now. So this was a short video, but well, if you are a healer, a card reader, a spiritual teacher, or just someone who enjoys with these cards and all, I would like to say that it's definitely a worth a buy. Also, full moon is a time you can put your crystals in moonlight, because that's the best way to cleanse and energize your crystals. So, see, for example, I have this beautiful moonstone. Can you see how beautiful is it? And then I have this quartz, and there is Himalayan crystal which I had got from the Himalayas when I was a child, actually. About to, I think it's more than 20 years ago that I got this Himalayan crystal. I had gone to the Himalayas with my family for a short holiday. My dad had taken us to all the beautiful places in the Himalayas when we were kids, and we found this shiny stone. Me and my sister, we found it and we got it back along with us, and since then it's with us. I had no clue I was going to be a healer and a crystal healer in the future, but I guess that's how magic works. So, yes, don't forget to put your crystals in moonlight tonight. It's a beautiful strawberry pink moon, and a great time to meditate, great time to connect to the angels. So, I take your leave now and I take these cards with me, and I am going to I'm going to meditate with the cards and also connect to them. So if you watch this and if you got the card messages, the messages are for you. So if you have found this video, even if you watch the live, or if you watch the replay, or if you watched it later on our IGTV, even if you watch it 1 year later, all I can say is this is for you, because if you see it, it's for you. So, thank you all who watched it. Thank you, Kalyani, for joining. Thank you, Devi Datta. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you, Darshil. Thank you, Vallari. Thank you, all of you who watched. And so, of course, these are for the people who are watching it live. For people who watch it as a replay, you can also comment hashtag replay on the video. Hi, Dr. Manjari. Thank you for joining. You can write as hashtag replay if you watch it on IGTV. And thank you. Happy full moon. Have a lovely day. And once more, I'm going to show you my altar. And thank you very much. Stay blessed. Lots of love. Bye bye.